Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Kiang Nangbah Government College kala Rakhe Lyngkhuh Snem Kaba san punyo nadu bala sengya ka menha ka si tho ding ha pedeng jing ipo ipeng lingba ka jing shim benta shit hem de ki no hikai ki nong trei bat ki khna pule ha po auditorium hall ha ka te ka si la ya don lang ru Dr. SR Lindam kum resources consultant ka RUSA bala pen paw ka jing khoblei na ka benta ka college halor ka jing ai buram na ka benta ka jong u Ula perturu ya kani ka jingyat nanti jong ka college lingba ka jingwan ra ya ka integrated teacher education program course ka ba Snem ka ba kan top ya ka BA, BEd, BSc, BN. Nalor ka taw lapan pawru ba amdan ki wei pat ki college ha ka jela. Ki ban yo padang ya ka ka ba ka Kiang Nangbah Government College kala yo. Kani ka college kala la ban pendap ki kendon jong ka NAAC kumjo ya ka standard jong ka. Ki wei pat ki bala ai jingkran na kani ka program ki kan top ru ya JP Sharma IQAC Coordinator, Dr. E.M. Bla, Principal ka College, kabala ay ka jingkublay ki nongseng jo ka College, kumjo ye ki nohikay bat ki staff ki bala tre shitam bat penwandor ki khna puli, kumjo ru ye ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla, halor ka jingyay beteng man ay jingkarsan ha ka bayade ka jingdan kam, bat ka jingpanhe pansan ya ka ni ka puli. Ha ka ni ka singi lapan ko buram ru ye JP Sharma halor ka jing ay jing shakri ka ba apusan Snem jong u hapo ka ni ka College. Kinong yalam ka college bat ki khna puli bla yo he marks tam ha ka subject mathematics but botany lanang penpho penpiang shu ya kani ka sngiling ba ki jing sha jing roi ne ki khna puli
The college as a whole, after the NARC assessment, you have reached to a higher height, being recognized by LCTE, being recognized by the to have the integrated course run in this institution, which is one of the 5 colleges in Northeast, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me. And being the only one in the state, you deserve this kind of celebrations. At the time of preparing NAT, we never dreamt that one day this course will come into effect. We thought NAT is for NAT purpose, but NAT has a benefit of other milestone for you to reach to a higher heights. And I hope by now you will not regret getting a B certificate. Because of that, you are able to reach higher and higher today. So I congratulate Madam Principal for taking this college to a higher heights. I know you as a teacher here during the NAT preparation, in charge of criteria 1, how committed you are at that point of time, and you have been asking, I've been asking you many questions, giving you many assignments, but the assignments you give me today is more tougher to be the judge of these flowers. Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder, and you can imagine how difficult that subjective matters to give a judgment on it. Well, I try my best, and I love flowers, and all these flowers here, they deserve the equal status of beauty in the eyes of the beholder. And visit Kiang Nangbah before you give speech in other colleges. You deserve. God has blessed you. God will bless all my beloved teachers, principal, students, and God will bless you. Take this college to higher and higher height. Thank you very much.
Then many teachers, many students,
Everyone has contributed. But it is a collective effort actually. It is not the principal only. It is not the non-teaching staff only. It is not the teachers only. But when we talk about collective, that means teaching, non-teaching, students, then government, alumni, all have their important roles. Now this college, you see, we are growing, and you know that this is one of the biggest college in Jente Hills. We just cannot deny this one. But you just see that when we started this college, it was very small. It was just like a plant. And today it has become a tree. But the journey does not end here. We have to carry on now from here. And in this, everyone is contributing. Everyone is contributing. In this function today, like two of our students from mathematics and botany, they got positions. I would like to congratulate all those students and all the teachers of those departments. They really work hard. I think they have set example for all other departments. This is very, very important.